In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy of a Google form. This is a quick, reliable way to create a backup, build a new version without touching your original, or share a template with teammates while keeping your source form intact. Start by opening your Google form in edit mode. You'll know you're in the editor if you can see the question panels and the purple toolbar across the top. If you only see a preview, switch to the editable view so you have access to the form's settings and tools. Next, look to the very top right of the editor for the three-dot icon, often labeled More Options. It sits on the same purple bar as the Send button and other controls. This is the form's own menu, not your browser's menu, and it contains actions that affect the entire form. Click that three-dot icon to reveal additional options. From that menu, choose Make a Copy. When you select it, a small dialog will appear asking you to confirm a few details. You'll typically see the form's name pre-filled with something like Copy of at the front. This is a great moment to give your copy a clear, descriptive name so you can tell it apart from the original later. You can also choose the destination folder in your Google Drive, which helps keep your files organized from the start. Once everything looks right, confirm to finish making the copy. Right away, a full copy of your form is created. You'll be taken into the duplicated form, and you should see its title updated at the top. From here, you can safely edit questions, tweak settings, or change the theme without affecting the original form. Think of it like a snapshot of your form's structure at the moment you made the copy. One important note: this process duplicates the form itself, not the individual responses. The new form starts fresh with 0 responses and its own response destination. That's perfect when you want a clean slate for a new event, course, or survey cycle. If you need past responses, keep using the original form to view or analyze them, or export them separately from the original. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the Make a Copy option, make sure you have edit access to the form and that you're in the correct account. Rename your copy thoughtfully and place it in the right drive folder to avoid confusion later. And remember, edits in the copy will not sync back to the original, so use copies whenever you want to experiment safely. That's all it takes to duplicate a Google form quickly and confidently.